So I had my procedure here with Dr. Lamb's office about 2 weeks ago, and I'm already feeling very happy about the results, even though it's extremely preliminary. When you get right out, you can look at how many hairs have been implanted because all the hairs are still in place. Some of them have already started to fall out, so it looks sparse now, but initially I could see kind of a sneak peek of what I'm going to look like, say, 6 months down the line. And it was very impressive. The design is very important to me. The quality was there. The number of follicles that were chosen and implanted was accurate. That's another thing that people often consider. How many do I need? Is their estimate correct? It was right on the money. I've had implants here on the sides, and then I've had widow's peak implants on both sides, and then some light increase on the front as well, right under the hairline. And I think I'm going to be extremely pleased a year from now when everything is said and done. The healing was easy for me. I followed the instructions in the packet, used the creams, the sprays, vitamin E, everything is indicated, and I was told that I'm going to be very pleased, so I expect to be. Great experience.